Oh my god, the front end looks insane. We just got it back from Auto Ralph. Did just a little primer on it. I wanted to see a little test fit after doing all the repairs I did with my cousin. This is wild. What the fuck? This is crazy. Wow. Wow. That's badass. Yeah, you guys gotta let me know what you think of that front end. I think it looks sick. Alright, Max is installing the transmission now. Let's get this thing ready. Fait qu'il y a des chances qu'on est présent, hein? On verra. Ah, yeah, look, the turbo.
Ah, faut le tourner un peu, hein?
Ouais, gotta turn it a tiny bit.
Ok. Ça, c'est ma première partie. Ça, je peux aller jouer dans tout ça. Pas de problème pour moi de jouer dans mon ami.
So this might actually fit a little better than it did before now that
Couper ça, ça serait plus facile.
yeah, we'll cut that. C'est l'angle qui est pas bon, hein?
C'est pas l'angle, c'est la longueur. Il faudrait juste qu'il y ait un... Si tu ferais juste
straight de plus?
un straight de plus. Ça,
Ok, dis-moi combien de pouces, puis
ça, idéalement, on veut la 4. Mais tu sais...
ouais, attends, je vais aller pogner le morceau. Yeah, what a mess. Un pouce et demi.
Il faut vraiment que ça soit droit, hein?
OK.
Parce que des Vengeance, il faut que ça soit... Il faut pas que tu sois de même, là. On se regarde dans la clip. Mais, en même temps, ça, on va pouvoir jouer un peu avec. C'est sûr que... C'est sûr qu'il gagnera.
Ouais, ok, je vois. Ouais, pas trop.
Ça, on peut...
The bonus redemption event runs May 31st to June 5th, in-store and online. Exclusive to Pharma Creek. It's your chance to get more free stuff for your points. And free is just good. Restrictions apply. Behind each death is the story of a person, family, or business. It could be the story of a single mother who's no longer able to make ends meet. It could be the story of a business owner who lost his biggest customer overnight. It could be a good...
Alright, so we're doing our first run. We're about to test it out, see how it went. We did all the wiring and everything, and did so many changes to the car, so this is day one.
I've lowered the boost down to like 40 pounds just to see that the car was good since the first outing for 2024. Alright, second try guys. The traction control's going nuts, the VSS going crazy.
Yeah, we keep getting all kinds of cuts in random places. The VSS isn't working. It's like fluctuating up and down where it shouldn't be. So the traction control is just going wild.
Mid 8-second passes though, still pretty good.
Yeah, we're gonna do another try now. See if the VSS fits. We tried something. We repinned it the way it was before, but I don't have a feeling it's the wiring. I think it's just a sensor. Maybe a little off. That's what I want. I disabled a few of the hard cuts that we had on the pass before, and just wanted to see if the VSS would be good, but it wasn't. Oh my god, look what we got to drive back in. The tire blew out on the way up, guys. This is horrible.